Hi everyone, this is Taur Rahman from Blaze Web Studio, and this is actually a short, quick overview of SEO Chrome extension, which is called SEO Quack. And this is actually a plugin that gives you some matrices on SERP page. So rather than going to the website, although it also provides you the matrices on the page through that panel, okay, but still when it provides you the matrices on the page, that actually give you an ease. Okay, so before going to the detail, let me give you a context that I'm actually deciding to create a landing page on that keyword, SEO expert in the wild. So when I searched that keyword on search page on Google, I found some results. The number one result is actually getting 554 traffic. Now here are the details of these matrices that we need to know. This traffic is actually not for that particular page. Okay, this is actually an overall traffic for that website. Then, and the number two is that linking domain. Once again, these are the overall linking domain for the website, and this one is actually the links for that particular page. So these are the three most important matrices among these that we need to know to shortlist our competitors. Okay, once again, when we go down on the number three, this website from India is ranking, and as you can see, this website is on number one position after the GMBs. Okay, but it's still getting 584 traffic, very low as compared to this one, which is ranking on number three. Okay, but it has linking domain 7, the particular linking domains. All right, now when we visit that page, we also have a panel that actually provides the same matrices, total number of backlinks, and then it's actually referring domain. Okay, and then traffic analysis 554, just like that. Okay, you can see here 584. All right, so let me also open that page. Okay, we have here, and when we open that, the backlink, it says that the website has got total 1.4k backlinks, and the unique referring domains are 161. Okay, all right, so my point of view is that this is a good plugin and it has some matrices, but one thing is missing, which is the unique traffic to that particular page. If that is not available, we might have some confusion and hindrance to analyze that which one is good for us, which competitor is most suitable and most closed to us that we should follow. Okay, and yeah, I hope that this short quick overview of that plugin will be helpful for you. Anyone of you who is doing who has just started or in the middle exploring some tools, so this is an overview from my side. And if you like the video, and if you have any other tool that has better matrices overview free of cost, you know about that tool, then do comment. Thank you so much. Take care.